Welcome to the craft class. Today I am going to teach you how to make this spinning wheel. Material required: colored square paper and small paper of the contrasting color for drawing the circles, scissors, single punch machine, straw, toothpick, bottle cap, sharpener, pencil, flower making wire, pen, glue for pasting, beads, pencil or a quilfish stick you can use. Take your square paper and keep it in a diamond shape like this. Hold this corner and fold it upside here. Bring this paper here, join it and make a crease line. You will get a triangle. Again fold it like this and make a crease line. You will get a triangle, but this time the triangle is smaller. Open it and fold it. Now you can see a cross here. With the help of the pen, mark the center like this. Now I am going to mark on the crease lines with the help of the marker. Like this. Then you take your sharpener or you can take eraser also to mark it. Keep it here in the center like this and mark on the crease lines like this. Like this. Similarly, I am going to mark on all these lines. So I have marked it here. 4 marks you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 on the crease lines. Now with the help of the scissors I am going to cut till this point here. Start cutting from the corner and when you reach this point here, stop cutting. See. Do not go beyond this line. Similarly I am cutting the rest of the corners. After cutting on the crease lines, your paper will look like this. Now you can see 4 triangles here, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the help of the marker, I am writing number 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. See, I have marked on all 4 sides 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then I am taking the single punch machine and I am going to punch it here on the number 1. Okay. On the second triangle also I am going to punch on the number 1. Similarly on the third triangle and on the fourth one, like this. And in the center, with the help of the toothpick, I am going to prick it here, make a hole here like this. Next, what you have to do, you have to hold this number 1 here in this way and bring it towards the center. Be careful, you are not supposed to fold it, just hold it and bend it towards the center like this. There should be no crease line over there. Then number 1 again in the center here. Third corner and the fourth corner. we are going to glue it here in the center. Take your circular object, keep it here in the center. Hold this corner and bring it towards the center like this. Apply glue around the hole and paste the second corner on top of it like this. Hold it so that it sticks properly. Again apply glue around the circle. Paste it here in this way. Again apply glue on the top and paste the last corner here in this way. Hold it in place so that it sticks properly. See, these should not be creased. It should look like this only. After pasting all the 4 corners, it will look like this. See, it is not pasted from the center. You can see here. That is why I have kept the cap here. Keep it aside and take the contrasting color paper and with the help of the circular object, trace 2 circles. I folded the paper so that I have to cut only one time. See, this is the paper is folded. When I will cut, we will get 2 circles of same size. Hold it and start cutting around the line. I got 2 circles of same size. Now, with the help of the punch it in the center, make a punch, single. One circle is to be pasted on the front side here and the other circle has to be pasted at the back here over this hole like this. So after pasting, it's not possible to see our hole. I'm going to punch it once again here. There are one hole at the back and one on the front side. I'm applying glue on the circle. I'm pasting one at the back. See, the hole should match. Turn it and the other circle has to be pasted here. Apply the glue properly and paste it here. Similarly, paste it here in this way. Ensure that the circle is not see. Insert your straw inside like this, and when it touches the base, measure it and mark with the help of the pen like this. On this mark, with the help of the scissors, cut it. Then you have to take your wire, take this much of length is enough. With the help of the scissors, cut it like this. First we are going to insert our straw here inside, and then take this wire which we have cut, insert it here and pull it out from the back side. Like this. See, straw is inside and the wire ends are here. Take the bead, insert your bead. I'm taking the colorful bead over here, red bead. Put your bead here and secure it. Just twist it around the bead. You can take help of your elders in doing this point. Just twist it like this. Similarly, we are going to attach one bead here. Take the bead, insert the bead in your wire like this. Like this. Now, the wheel is pinned. Take your kulfi stick, insert this wire inside the kulfi stick like this. Take help from your elders in doing this. And just wrap it around, and your wheel is ready. You can see the spin wheel moving. The spin wheel is ready to move. Hope you enjoy making this. Thank you.